As I sit in bed tonight, I think of what has been. Yet I feel like I'm in my twilight, like it's the last I've seen. Still shows me inside and all my old dreams. Your face, your touch, the warmth of a woman. Yet I'm nothing but a broken man. From the pain I reforge my strength again, to face the day and be better than then. I may be broken, but I can repair. But for now, 1,000-yard stare. Just a broken man. I've wasted so much time. I fall on my knees from a stand. I'm so far down.